Tasmania sits at the edge of the Southern Ocean. It feels remote, almost mythical, but for those who make the journey, it offers something rare. On Tasmania's east coast lies the Freycinet Peninsula, with pink granite mountains that rise above turquoise bays and wild beaches stretch for miles, untouched and silent. This is Freycinet, a place that cannot be experienced properly on a drive-by tour. To truly know it, you have to get close to the earth, to walk, to feel the terrain underfoot and the wind on your face. The Freycinet walking experience immerses guests in that raw, coastal landscape, combining effort, exploration, and a unique intimacy with the environment. The adventure unfolds in Freycinet National Park, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. There you'll see coastal cliffs, eucalypt forests, and sweeping heathlands stretch for miles. Elsewhere, echidna, wallabies and wombats appear along the paths. Birdlife is vibrant from honey-eaters, oyster-catchers, and other endemic species. Flora is distinctively Tasmanian, resilient, and beautiful, offering color and texture across the trails. Daily walks average 8 to 12 kilometers, with steep ascents that can require 2 to 3 hours to reach the lookouts. Over 3 days, the journey covers close to 40 kilometers across granite outcrops, boulder-strewn beaches, and coastal ridges. All you'll carry is a light backpack with water, a few snacks, and any personal items. The staff takes care of the rest. Snack times are plentiful during the hikes as well. One hiking day included a delightful surprise of a full picnic with fresh hearty fare on the mountainside. The hikes were rewarded with crystal clear swims, sunbathing warmed rocks. Guests return to the lodge to refresh, unwind, in the lounge as a prelude to dinner. Tasmania is notorious for its fine wines including Pinot Noir, Chardonnay, and Riesling. Guests also nosh on as artisanal cheeses, cured meats, baked goods, and other local delicacies including fresh-from-the-sea oysters. Homemade canapés are savoured alongside drinks while guests gather to regale the day's adventures before a briefing of the next day's activities by the guides. This isn't a hotel. This is the home of your hosts and you are treated as their guest, never a stranger, never just another customer. Every meal is home cooked by your hosts. Dinners are communal and celebratory. Multi-course meals feature hyperlocal seafood such as abalone, oysters, mussels along with Tasmanian wallaby, seasonal vegetables, and native herbs. Conversation flows naturally, and the atmosphere is warm, personal, and inviting. A good rest is in order after a long day of hiking. Guests enjoy downtime in their lodge with lounges, open decks, and uninterrupted views of bay and mountain. Guests enjoy downtime in their private room. Beds are feather soft, linens crisp, and baths inviting after a long day of walking. The 2 guest lodges have a bathroom and showers with good hot water. A common lounge with fireplace is there for late-night conversation.
Soon, oh so very soon.
The walking groups are small, usually 10 or fewer, fostering camaraderie without crowding. Solo travelers find both privacy and company. Guides are experts on the land, facilitate storytelling, who explain the landscapes, flora and fauna, and about the indigenous people who once walked these lands.
If you wanna live, I'm with it.
The reason you'll never forget this experience in this part of the world is that every step tests you and every climb rewards you.
Come too far.
You leave with cherished memories of breathtaking panoramas, feeling a personal connection through the soil underfoot, the sand beneath your toes, and the crisp clear sea that engulfed you. This is what it means to walk the Freycinet Peninsula.